Hello everyone, today I would like to show you all how to close all Safari tabs on an iPhone at once. Let's have a look. For this video I am using iPhone 17. First, open Safari app on your iPhone home screen. In the bottom right corner of the screen you will see three dots. Tap the three dots and tap all tabs. Here you will find all open tabs. Right now I have 18 tabs. If you want to close one tab, just tap cross sign on the tab and it will close that tab. But if you would like to close all tabs at once, long press on blue tick sign and tap close all tabs. Are you sure you want to close all open tabs? Tap close all tabs. That's it. All open tabs close at once. So these are the steps to close all your Safari tabs on an iPhone at once. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.